Yo, what's up? And welcome to the channel. We're gonna smoke the last bit of that fucking strawberry cough. Sativa, hybrid, THC Cannabis, marijuana. Oh hell yeah, let's go. Cheers. Oh yeah. That's good shit. Ooh. I'll be right back. I'm gonna shut this window a little bit. Alright. It's still a little, you can hear some, but not as much. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is the last bit of strawberry cough, sativa, THC, cannabis, marijuana. Hell yeah. Well, anyways. Oh yeah. Ooh. Gotta get me a monster to make me be. Anyways. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, guys. That's what's up. Ooh. Okay. Anyways. Some good shit. You know what I'm saying? Very good shit. Like strawberry cough. And that shit true, man. Make you cough. For real. You know what I'm saying? It's good. Ooh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, damn, bro. This is good shit. Okay, hold on. I'm not taking a drink. Oh, yeah. Cheers, guys. Hope y'all had a very Merry Christmas. Oh, yeah. The 26th. And it is cold as shit outside. Anyways, cheers. Last bit of this. Head it up. Let's go. Oh. What? It was the last bit there. The last bit. Strawberry cough. Sativa hybrid. THC. Cannabis, marijuana. Oh yeah. Well, we'll see you then. Also, we'll see you. Subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen. Peace out, guys. Till next time.